This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. This is one artist that you guys didn't really work with a lot, but on that rhythm it was big. Buju, how did you guys get Buju on that rhythm at that time there too?
Well, Buju now is somebody I met through Sister Master from early. You know, Buju was one of the man them would make feel like one DJ too. You know, when I actually see Buju foreign, kind of in the early days, a DJ was kind of stereotyped. Mm-hmm. So when I book Buju a foreign now with Sister Master and Miami and I do the thing, I say, wait, I like DJ and them thing that they are foreign and look so rich and black man and tug out same way, Versace glasses and the things them man, you see? So I say, all right then, can do, you know? So at the end of the day, you know, I always have a little relationship from them time there and Donovan, you know, being Sister Master them around them, you know, we know Donovan, Jermaine and things. So when we were doing the Giggy project now, and it started to play on radio now, this is the initial part now. So Leftside fly out because when we remember, we tell you, say, when we are doing Giggy Riddim, we're under beer pressure, you know, bro. Mm-hmm. This is what we're doing to rebuild ourselves. This is how we shot where I say, all right, we are trying to shoot back off of the road because they are going like them want to go around with you, will stop, spin. Mm-hmm. So Leftside fly out now to go deal with some business and thing, green card business and stuff. And me, they are yard now, and you know, we put out the rhythm and thing, but as we say, it face the little resistance here and there. Man, they not get the full strength, but you can't tell them on it and you don't know. I read them now really left it. So it I get the little play and the play. And of course, them time there, because we were at selector, our rhythm would have fly fast through the industry. So it playing on the air, and it get played. But to the music industry, it's like, bomba clot, to the selector, them put out the rhythm now. And it a play on the radio, now the man go on the next step, because you have to think about a time when no selector have no rhythm in the G. Mm-hmm. You understand? No selector have no rhythm. Renaissance, the sound of a rhythm. Mm-hmm. But no selector have no rhythm.
True.
So it's like, okay, and then no selector, even Renaissance them not build them rhythm, brother. They are good producers and arrangers, but them call in the musicians.
Got you.
You see me? Them call in the factors and the surroundings and the rays and the tays and the tays and then make them thing and then them gather. You know what I say? I'm actually Renaissance need to start produce again, to be honest. But so when we come with that now, it fly through the industry and it play now, and of course, nobody don't know what the success level is at, but there's Cartel, there's Ellie. It's the first time nobody has slapped back no old rhythm in a while. Mm-hmm. And some big guns are played. You know, the people them were really ready to select a come. I know DJ waiting them from them, they are Digitech and it's a liquid and thing. We can go on next tangent with that now, bro. It's like on the early playout days, but liquid them and DJ waiting them from playout and learn from them, and them was the bad people them in a mobile, you know what I mean? The body, you know, say we're not necessarily full garrison, they was right in the middle where we them, uptown garrison everywhere. Mm-hmm. So we know them longer time and thing, and used to listen them when them go turn Bones Master in and lip up on 102 and take them with cassette and thing. You see me? So upon meeting the man them back in a sound thing up a Dan Carleon and thing, when you know, the whole me used to tell the G them thing, they understand, say, you know, bro, a long time it a forward from, you see me, from them days they were watching thing and pray. So them money always give you a strength. Mm-hmm. Like we're like the same kind of dudes, you know. See Liquid come and sing now to one thing and find success in it. So we're all the same kind of dudes, you know. Wayne produced one heap of big rhythm and bro. So them man there was the man them was just giving it the raw strength and just not care. So Buju, here now. I asked Bulby, big up to Bulby, calling Bulby next general. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying, bro. You know, as a young youth in music, you can't come in and hold no harder in a fun. You can't come in and one of the legends and the greats and the thing. It's just making your journey harder. It's just making your journey shorter too, because your longevity lies in the people who respect you and gonna keep you alive to fam. You can't keep yourself alive in your own mind, you know. And feel like you're gonna popularize. People gotta keep you alive and rate you and speak highly of you for your thing to carry on. So Bulby now, thank God we don't live bad with nobody. Bulby in the studio with Buju when of course them they're on a Carlisle and the thing a beat out. Every man a listen DJ win and the dog a juggle the rhythm. And you know, cause you know, killer them say cartel, so DJ win from them time they say cartel too. Ellie them the whole thing, Alliance, Ray, so the whole thing I take time from a one network and the selector them will rate to push out the rhythm full strength, bloop it a beat it a pull up, people are getting it on them head. So Buju call now and ask Bulby in the yard now and say, Bulby, who this? Put out the rhythm here. They don't know say I'm the first man, the vice man rhythm. Matter of fact, I mean, tell the man him say this to come out because the man did have Giggy Riddim as an idiot rhythm in the studio. And me tell him say I want vice man it and put it out. So all the man first slap over the rhythm and call me. So Bulby now call me up and I say, yo, I have an artist here who say, I them first vice man Giggy and you know vice them. Thank God me never hype my brother. So one of the time in my mind, you know, me I tell the truth, me I tell the honest recollection. In my mind, in my young mind, I don't have cartel and Ellie them and some man, you know. And here one now, a couple of the older artists them do me something which I don't know what I should call them. Probably not call them still. But some man at the time who we never have no link with Honorary, just because we are a new entity and they are DJ when someone play, them just come so bloop and voice and send file. Never ask them, never read, never nothing, never read them, I never let them strength in that day in them life, they never give you a dub plate, they never give you a jingle. And them send the file. See? Never discard them files still. You see me I say? But I'm just try to show you my G. So anyway, lo and behold, I take the phone from Bulby and my mind he said to me, say, yo, I go to say, Bulby, can't bother with no more old artists who are going to come try to force on the juggling now, you know. Especially because, you know, them time that the bigger artists never used to give strength as Ray. You see me, I really killer them and then more after so cartel them really change that whole strength thing there, you know. There's no say, yo, that I want you have to strengthen the youth, them it better feel. So, I nearly go on the phone with the attitude them bro, like yo, I can't bother, you know, but I'm gonna stay silent, you know, which more while as them said. Listen and observe first. So I did and listen first until me hear the man come up on the phone and say, is which young youth have the audacity to slap over the Giggy Riddim and didn't voice the original artist that made the rhythm a hit? Do you know I can sue you and take away your rights, son? So right then and there, you know, the intelligence and the voice, you know, say, he's not a normal person, but I never really spoke to Buju on the phone. So, you know, you hear a voice, it could have been Mega Banton, it could have been various people, it could have been a man or a trick. We, you know, left side of the voice thing all the while. Be a man, the voice, you might wonder, you know. I respond now as, you know, as a young uptown youth, I say, with whom am I speaking, sir? Man said, this is one Mark Mary, aka Buju Banton. You don't know this voice? This is the world voice. Listen to me, sir. You're going to find yourself around to the Carlisle studio right now with the rhythm. All right? And also, if you're a good producer, bring a couple more rhythms to submit to the club. And that's the exact the man said to me, dog. The conversation stuck in my mind like yesterday, brother.
I knew when I reached out to you, it was going to be a good conversation, but I had no idea. None. It was going to be like this.
Dog, but I tell you, G, it's like, you know, it's a blessing, and you know, I mean, the time that's passed and the things that we do is really, you know, it's amazing for real, fam. Like, this recollection still have mean awesome. So, Buju called me now and sent me for come on the left side is our way. So, come so boom, I'm flicking at the car and go around there and all the vibes with him and Bulby and thing, and of course Buju there and him and do him thing, you know. I haven't heard from Buju in a while. People they must say alone one drop him not doing a dancehall in a while. So Bulby there and I hype him and I said, DJ, you know a dancehall you gotta give them now in a year. Yeah, thing them this now in my J, I kick you out. You see rhythm hot. Watch when you touch it up. Blaze, you go blaze it now. Bloop, 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 bloop. DJ start something now and thing and very reggae-esque, very melodious and bloop, bloop. So, give Bulby a little elbow. Bulby, the general, tell the general say, Tell the general say, you don't know, dog, new thing, man. You see me, new thing, dog, you see me? Because you don't know, you can't jump up now. When you can jump up in a Buju, then when you vibe, when the man vibe, the big Till Shiloh, Grammy voice or whatever, and you go jump up, but no, Dada, you don't like that. You understand? So I just give Bulby the elbow and say, Bulby, come on, man, take the G, say the young youth, them thing, and even though I throw back with him, want something fresh and thing, a girl's thing or a girl thing or something. So, Bulby I say, yo, Buju, you know what? You some young youth thing, man. But the youth don't want to hear that Buju, man. Come on, Buju, man. Remember now in the Leftside Esco, this is the youth are hot selector now and them have reading now in the so. Come on, give me something, man. Give me a girl's thing, man. Freestyle, so matter of fact. All them days Buju we want, man. Me a go record and Bulby go around and the blood clot mixing board you. I say, come, me a record. All time Buju style. Freestyle. Let's go around the mic and just freestyle. God bless Bulby.
Bro.
So Buju go around now in a theme boot now and just start Lego something. And Lego something and me him like him a flow something. No, the girls them ready him go so over me. Oh, I'm going to grab Bulby and say, Bulby. Save that. You see me? And Bulby said, do the school, let's come, man. I can't stop and save nothing. You want the DJ, I have to just record everything, but it didn't. So I didn't know him go over the whole thing and him a floating thing now and little more in the flow him goes up. My baby man, I said, me too bad. Bulby goes up, and race forward now and him come around now for listen and thing and we are pick out from it and him say, yo, start with baby man, I said, me too bad. And I said, Dada, no, please. Just trust me. Over me, out the road, no. You see me I say? And the man said, no man, you see me? Because everybody did mash up in the studio and the man said, no baby man, I said, bad me too. But you know, I don't know the nostalgia of Buju them just doing dancehall and the voice and everything star. But when you listen to a selector the man when you do the producing and thing, you kind of know say, it wants something a little before that. That just tough,
to give you the hype, just to taxi it down the road.
What we call is like an introduction punch. You have a punch too, but it's like the step down before a next punch. So it's a punch too, but you're anticipating something bigger to come, but you still are getting people them something to thump them earlier. So I said to him, boy, that part they can't go on in the front and everyone them on war feet and thing now. And it's like, I say, all right, let's make it work, And Bulby, man, I tell him, G, dog, yo, the school, man. Like, Bulby just look for me now and him kind of see now as a young youth say, Esco them now get to say what they need to say, So, Bulby just shout out, Buju, you have to give the youth them when them want still, because I remember say, them go push it now in the young world, It must seem like that part, the up at the front and reality, you see me say? Go some play it back and apparently Buju now must never realize that him flow off that part and never even pick up. So when him hear it back, he must say, nah man, back. And we end up just shift it round and start the song this and he must go back. And we just piece together now, bring the over me up at the front and then drop baby mother too bad at the second part and then the DJ go back around there and then after that he never stop. From we catch the first 4, the first 8, the rest of the song, the dog go one take.
The stories behind these songs are so amazing and crazy that it's ridiculous, bro. You know what I mean? Because remember, us as a general public, we only hear the final product. We don't know if it took you 5 minutes to record this 3-minute song or if it took you 3 months to record this song.
Bro, all of this is happening in this fucking struggle. That man I try to tell you, this is all happening in this struggle. So that's why homeboys are way in foreign trying to do some things and make things happen. when Buju them call me, fam, I just chill on the block, with a cat, my G. I'm just send her home fast, and touch the studio, come and say, to how we broke now, and Buju call me at the time now, this. You understand?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.